There's a bright golden haze on the meadow.
Microsoft is bringing Activision Blizzard into the Xbox family with a $69 billion merger. If the name sounds unfamiliar, it's home to some all-time video game favorites like Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, and Candy Crush.
It's about time. We're a team. All of us.
The deal didn't come without its share of hurdles. Governments around the world attempted to stop what would be the largest merger ever in the gaming market to keep competition high.
So, this is home now.
Home. Family.
With the largest tech acquisition in more than 2 decades, Microsoft has now secured its spot as the third largest video game company in the world.